My dear viewers, now discuss physical and chemical changes based on ICSE Class 7 Part 2. Before the discuss Part 1 only for the summary of physical and chemical changes. Please take the video of the Part 1. Please show the decision box. Now discuss. Write the T for true and A for false. At first, germination of seeds is an example of a slow change. Answer true. Next, cutting of tree is an artificial change. Answer true. This answer is true. Cyclones occur periodically. This part is false. This statement is false. Question number 4. Withering of leaves is an irreversible change. And this statement is true. Next, burning of a mistake is a fast change. This statement true. Next, all changes in nature are reversible. Statement is false. Next, occurrence of landslides is a periodic change. Statement false. Next, in physical change, the chemical properties of a substance change. This statement false. Next, sublimation is an example of physical change. This statement true. Next, rotting of vegetables is an example of a chemical change. This statement true. Okay. Next question type, fill in the blanks. At first, number 1, cutting down of tree is a or an change. The fill in the point, that is the proper word, artificial. That is, cutting down of tree is a or an artificial change. That is the point, artificial change. Okay. Next, germination of seed is a dash change, slow change. Next, the product of each or an dash change are harmful and unpleasing. Answer undesirable. Okay. Next, the changes in which there is release of heat energy are called dash changes, exothermic changes. Okay. Next, if the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged but its shape changes, it is a dash change. Answer physical. Okay. Next, the new product from is a chemical change slow dash property. That is new property. Okay. Next part, in physical changes, the energy change is minimal. That is minimum. Okay. Next, the process in which a solid gets converted into its liquid state when heated is known as melting. Okay. Next, question number 9. The process of evaporation take place at a temperature below the dash point of a liquid. That is boiling point. Next question, question number 10. Change that repeat after a fixed interval of time are known as dash changes. Answer periodic. Okay. Next question pattern. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct for each of the following. Okay. Number A. Which of the following is not an irreversible change? Option 1. Melting of oats. Option 2. Boiling of vegetables. Option 3. Baking of biscuits. Option 4. Frying of food products. And shade number 1, that is melting of oats. Next question B. Which of the following is a periodic change? Option 1. Cyclone. Option 2. Phase of moon. Option 3. Accident. Option 4. Tsunami. Option 2 is the right answer, that is phase of moon. Next question. Burning of petrol is an example of dash change. Option 1. Physical. Option 2. Endothermic. Option 3. Exothermic. Under next option 4. None of these. Answer option 3. Exothermic. Next question number D. Digestion of food is an example of dash change. Option 1. Physical. Option 2. Reversible. Option 3. Chemical. Option 4. Undesirable. Option 4. Undesirable is the right answer. Next question number E. Which of these is a physical change? Number 1. Rusting of iron, burning of paper, folding of paper, cooking of food. Option 3. Folding of paper is the right answer. That is physical change. Next question number F. Identify of characteristics of a chemical change. Option 1. Change in both physical and chemical properties. Option 2. No new products are formed. Option 3. Temporary and reversible. Option 4. Energy change in minimal. Option 1, that is change in both physical and chemical properties. Okay. Next question pattern. Give an example for each of the following. Number 1. Natural change. Example, growth of plant or a baby. Example of first change, burning of matchstick. Example of non-periodic change, occurrence of cyclone. Next, example of undesirable change, rotting of fruits and vegetables, soil erosion, rusting of iron, etc. Example of reversible change, example that is melting of ice. Okay. Next question pattern. Write the categories the following change into physical and chemical change. Burning of paper, rusting, melting of ice, evaporation. Number 5. Cooking of food. Answer. Physical changes 3 and 4, that is melting of ice and evaporation. Chemical changes 1, 2 and 5, that is 1. Burning of paper, rusting, cooking of food is the example of chemical changes. Next question pattern. Write down the following changes into physical and chemical changes and their energy change. Number 1. Burning of wood. Number 2. Bursting of cracker. Number 3. Melting of ice. Number 4. Photosynthesis. Number 5. Boiling of water. Number 1. Burning of wood. It is the type of chemical change. Heat energy is released. Next, number 2. Bursting of cracker. Change of chemical, that is heat energy is released. Next 3, melting of ice, physical change. Heat energy is absorbed. 4, photosynthesis, it is the chemical change. Heat energy is absorbed. 5, boiling of water, it is the physical change. Heat energy is absorbed. Okay, my dear viewers. Next part 3, the based on physical and chemical change. Please show the next video only for discuss the question answer.